once a symbol of precision, now a forgotten relic of time.
Every great timepiece deserves a second chance.
Restoration begins with a careful dissection of time. Each component is restored to its former glory.
Bringing each piece together perfectly aligned.
The true test begins. Is it as precise as it once was?
The final step to complete a timeless masterpiece. A legend reborn, ready to keep time once again.
Designed to last, built to live on through time.
For more luxury restorations, subscribe to luxeResto.